The Chesapeake Bay, America's largest estuary, is home to hundreds of unique ecosystems, plants and animals, which are dependent on the ecological quality and maintenance of the delicate environment it shelters within its shores. Chesapeake Bay oysters were once plentiful enough to be harvested and compiled into great mounds of oysters across the Chesapeake Bay. Fishermen fought battles over the bountiful oyster stocks in the bay, depleting natural supplies. In the 1990s, after a century of overfishing and exploitation, the Chesapeake Bay oysters were nearly extinct. This depletion nearly destroyed the bay ecosystem due to the reduction in the natural filtering capacity of the bay. Oysters are capable of filtering 50 gallons of filthy water every day, removing harmful pollutants and balancing the fragile estuarine food web in the bay. As the population of oysters decreased and pollutants increased, water quality declined. The oysters once filtered the bay every few days, but are currently capable of filtering the bay once a year or less. Our evolving understanding of their importance has encouraged replenishment efforts. With our oceanography class, we have started our own restoration program. In the Lynnhaven River, we distributed over 2,500 oysters in September in a near-shore sanctuary. In November, we returned to our sanctuary and checked on the oysters. We removed them from the water to make observations of their success and maintain their enclosure. We removed them from the mesh bag and counted them, removing dead members of the group. We recorded temperature and water salinity in order to attain the maximum percentage yield we could with the oysters we had. The optimal conditions were attained from the data, and we now know how to better produce oysters in the Lynnhaven River.